name is Dana Johnson. Today I'd like to share with you a recipe for grilled cheese with cheddar, garlic, and onions. And I think you're going to love it. So let's get started. So I'm going to slice up as thin as you possibly can. Some onion. I chose the yellow onion, but of course you could use the white or the red. Some garlic here. And if you didn't want to chop up your own garlic, you could always buy it pre-minced. Oh, the aromas in the air are so strong right now. And you could always take separately and grill your onion and grill the garlic together, but I'm going for a fresh taste this time. I have some softened butter. This spread on the outside of this bread. Turn it over. Keep it going. Then for the interior, of course, I want to use some of this Sunnyside Farms cheddar cheese. I'm going to place one slice there. Some sliced onion. Put in the garlic. Oh, I could feel my eyes tearing already from that onion. But once after I eat this sandwich, I'm sure I'll have nothing to cry about at all. So while I was here busy putting all the ingredients together, I've actually been heating up my grill pan to a medium heat. So I'm ready to take it over and get grilling. Oh, nice and toasty golden brown on the outside. You can see that cheddar cheese is already melted. The onions and the garlic, oh, they just smell so good. Oh, amazing. So there you have it. You have your grilled cheese with cheddar, garlic, and onions. So for more recipes, please see me at danasfamilykitchen.com.